Hello everyone, Mrs. Shanoy here again. Last time when I read book for you outside, it was sunny day out. But if you can see, today is a rainy day. So I found another book to read that goes with the weather today. Are we ready? Here we go. This book called Rain. Oh, I keep finding the place. There you go. Blue sky, yellow sun, white cloud, gray clouds, no sun, gray sky, and rain. Look at all these rain words pulling down that look just like a rain. Rain on the green grass, rain on the black road, rain on the red car, rain on the orange flowers, rain on the brown fence, rain on the purple flowers, rain on the white house, rain on the green trees, rain and rain. But look what's happening after the rain is rainbow. The end. I wonder what make it rain and how does rainbow happen? What do you think? Can you tell me more about it? Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.